Alright, hello. We're here for week 7 of the VDL, and we're up against Big Will. Let's see what he's got. Okay, so it's pretty much the top 5 I expected, and I thought Bronzor would come over Honchkrow. Um, is the Honchkrow a Terra captain? I believe it is. Um, it's not. It's not. Okay. Okay. I think my plan is to just lead. I think Noel's a good lead. I don't think he leads the Venusaur. But got into a Rocks lead Croak or a Sun lead, what's it called? Ninetales? Alright, let's do that. Let's get into it. Good luck to Big Will. His team's actually really tough. He drafted a super top heavy team, which means like all his mons are really strong. I'm very scared of the Venusaur. Amaterasu sounds like the Ninetales. Nice, cool. He might just go into the Venusaur here. So I kinda just want to flip turn. Alternatively, he could just Solar Beam and but I really don't want to let that Venusaur in. He does just Solar Beam, so I should have just Scolded. This shouldn't do too much to me. I should have Scolded. Yeah, cool. We're going to do like nothing. This Ninetales is a big threat. I should have just Scolded. Shouldn't be able to do too much to Pyroar. And he doesn't have a Hyper Voice switch in. Let's just do that. Starting sequence didn't quite go my way, but it's alright. Maybe I should have just led Pyro. Can I gauge if that's an offensive Ninetales? I think that is pretty offensive. Blastoise is going to come out. Does look to be offensive Ninetales, and this thing just drops. Should just drop to a Solar Beam. Do I need to Terra? Pyro into Blastoise. I shouldn't need to Terra. So this thing's dead. I don't want to Terra yet because I want to keep my typing for the Ninetales, but I am Terra Grass. Pyro KOs Blastoise. Nice, we get that thing out early. Pyro looks really good into this matchup. And we should be faster than everything outside of Scarf. I'd imagine if anything were to be Scarf, it'd be the Crocodile or the Honchkrow. I'm pretty nervous because if I lose this, it really makes playoffs tough for me. Because I lost my last 2. And I got Matt next week. So in comes this thing. And this thing is a big problem. Because I do not switch into it. I'd love to just Terra Grass. and flamethrower. But if he sludge bombs, do I die to a sludge bomb? Because he might be earthquaking. Pyro into Venusaur. Sunsweeper. Sludge bomb wouldn't KO. Do I make a risky play in Terra and Earthquake? And because I don't switch into this, I could just go Denji. Let's just be safe. I'm probably gonna regret this, but let's just be safe. This thing's a massive threat. Earth power, yeah, I could have. Fuck! I could have taken this out. We know it's a special attacker. I actually didn't know this thing got Earth power, and it is Life Orb. I'm going to get rid of that Life Orb. We are Assault Vest, so we actually should be able to take this on pretty easily. There's the growth. Yeah, so I definitely should have Terra and Flamethrowered. And I'm essentially just going to keep until it goes down, and my Scarf Killer Betrayal will outspeed. So I definitely am playing too safe, but that's alright. Gonna go down here. Venusaur KOs. What's that thing's fucking name? Toadscrew. That sucks so much because I could have KO'd it. I should have played it risky, but I didn't know if he was just gonna sludge bomb. Sun's still up. Do I risk the air/miss or just go for Weather Ball? Just gonna go for Weather Ball. He does swap. He's gonna go into his Ric Flair. Who's Ric Flair? Flareon. Yeah, so air/ would have been much nicer for me. I have to switch now. This thing could be Terra Grass. I kinda need you for Crocodile. I've really put myself in a bad spot not just clicking Terra and killing that Venusaur. If it's Terra Grass, my Vaporeon's gonna die. It's Terra Normal, okay. Shouldn't do too much, it's not boosted. He doesn't really have a body press switch, and if Venusaur comes in, I can Zen Headbutt it. So let's just do that. Probably the Honchkrow coming in. It's this thing. I don't think a Zen Headbutt would KO. Oh, I'm so sorry. That's a big miss. Sorry, Will. Pull KOs. Ninetales. If the Venusaur comes in, I am just going to kill it with Zen Headbutt. Big Wheel is in Poke2 right now, catching a Riolu mid-battle. This thing's bad. This thing's very bad. You wouldn't be clicking a dark move. I don't think you'd be clicking a dark move. Oh no! Shit. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we're back. I think we've found a way to work it out. I still have to do this. And hopefully, he just clicks a flying move. Nice. Ooh! Okay. And I'm just going to Thunderbolt here. If Crook comes in, it's because this could be Scarf and he might stay in. So I no longer have a Brave Bird switch, so this Honchkrow is going to be a big problem. I can't U-turn, because if he's Scarf, then... He was number one, okay. Not making the correct turns here. U-turn would have been really nice, but I just couldn't. Have to go into U. I really struggle defending against his team. There's a Stone Edge. Now I really feel like he could go into Venusaur here. And I kinda want to Zen Headbutt. But if he goes Honchkrow, then I'm in a really bad spot. So it's a big 50-50. What would I rather allow in? I feel like it's gonna go Venusaur. Alright, which one is it? Fuck! I got it wrong. So I've essentially just got to sack something here. Fuck! These Honchkrows are a threat. I didn't prep for it. I've got to sack this. Got the wrong call. He's going to kill Vaporeon here. Yeah. This is going to be close. Moxie. And I'm sure it's Scarf. If I get this wrong... Oh, Sucker Punch. It's not Scarf. It's not Scarf. Oh, no. Oh, no. So it's +2. How much am I taking to a Sucker Punch? Oh no. Honchkrow. I didn't think of that. That could bite me. If he's adamant +2 to Haxorus, a Sucker Punch has a chance to KO. I can't really do anything else. Oh, I'm in a bad spot. This Honchkro's giving it to me. I don't want to outrage. He does, sucker. I live. Please, please don't miss. Please don't miss. Oh my god. So I caught a Dragon Dance there. Oh, this is a close game. Honch KOs Vaporeon and Kilo. Hax KOs Honch. Ooh, this is tough. I haven't played well. I don't know what's been going on with me. There's the quick attack. So it's like if I body press and actually I know what I'm gonna do. Does switch into this. I should be faster than it now because sun's not up. Taurus might win. It's possible. I thought Taurus looked really good this matchup. Bull KOs. Venusaur. It might just be body press, body press. If he's faster than me, we know he's Scarf. Do I Trailblaze once? Tauros into Crocodile. Body press does not KO, but a Trailblaze. So I think in case he is Scarf, I Trailblaze once because he shouldn't be able to KO me. He is Scarf. So I should be faster now. And then I think it's just body press, body press. Oh. I think we've done it. Big Tauros coming through. Dude, his team, like, it's so offensive. And my team is probably a bit more offensive too. I couldn't defend against his guys. Oh, obviously the quick attack. I forgot about that. Oh no! I forgot about the quick attack. I celebrated too early. Did I choke? Did I choke? My best play would have been a sack Haxorus, go back and get the Intimidate. I don't know if I KO. What's my strongest move? It's not Flash Fire. It's Guts. I'm pretty sure... I don't even know how to check. Pretty sure Flamethrower and Hyper Voice are both. Okay, the Burn's going to take it out. And wow. We're only going to win 1-0. Oh no. The Burn's going to take it out, right? Don't tell me I sold this. Yep, cool. Flareon dies to Burn. Flareon KOs Bull and Pyro and dies to Burn. Wow, it was a close game. Well done, Will. You played really well. I think that Will-O-Wisp miss probably really mattered in the end. But good game to you. Yeah, not much more to say. Thank you.